Yeah. Just sunrise so slow, through the leaves them green. Every new day a blessing, never be foreseen. Walking this path of creation so clean. Spirit flowing higher, what a beautiful scene. Oh, the bamboo forest did whisper my name. Ancient wisdom rising, setting my soul aflame. Every rustle, every sway, it ain't no game. A prayer to the Most High, calling out His fame. Yeah, calling out His fame. Calling out His fame. Yeah, calling out His fame. Man, I search for peace in a concrete jungle so wild. But true comfort is found a Rasta child. In nature's embrace, never defiled. Every breath of prayer, every worry reconciled. Oh, the bamboo forest did whisper my name. Ancient wisdom rising, setting my soul aflame. Every rustle, every sway, it ain't no game. A prayer to the Most High, calling out His fame. Yeah, calling out His fame. Calling out His fame. Yeah, calling out His fame. Just a humble heart, on this journey I walk. Feel the rhythm of life, hear the spirit knock. From the root to the sky, me give thanks like a rock. Oh, the bamboo forest, it whisper my name. Ancient wisdom rising in my soul of flame. Every rustle, every sway, it ain't no game. A prayer to the Most High, calling out His fame. Yeah, calling out His fame. Calling out His fame. Yeah, calling out His fame.
You listen close, now hear the rhythm calling. Ancient whispers through the morning. Drum beat strong, a pure vibration, guiding us with no deviation. Oh, the yellow drum, it a speak to me soul. It make me heart feel whole, it make me spirit bold. Hear the thump, 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 a timeless sound. Blessings from the ground all around. It a spiral, sometimes amaze, but the drum like the path through the hazy days. Jah love always present, never far, shining bright like a distant star. Oh, the yellow drum, it a speak to me soul. It make me heart feel whole, it make me spirit bold. Hear the thump, 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 a timeless sound. Blessings from the ground all around. It secrets of the universe while the Babylon sleep. Rise up, stand tall, feel the power flow. Watch the seeds of wisdom grow. Oh, the yellow drum, it a speak to me soul. It make me heart feel holy, it make me spirit bold. Hear the thump, 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 a timeless sound. Blessings from the ground all around.
whisper from Jah. It not stop. Them say the storm a come, but me stand strong. The Lion of Zion, him guide me all along. Me not fear no shadow, me not fear no change. Jah wisdom pour like reflections in the rain. Raindrops fall, them a holy sign. Jah just speak through the rhythm divine. Me soul a dance in the stormy plain. Reflections of Jah in the blessed rain.
them clear. The voice of Jah me I always hear. Me nah bow to greed, me nah bow to pain. Jah guide and shine like reflections in the rain. Raindrops fall, them a holy sign. Jah just speak true, the rhythm divine. Me soul a dance in the stormy plain. Reflections of Jah in the blessed rain.
Old time Rasta morning, hear it calling. Jah breeze blowing, them troubles falling. Old time Rasta morning, we keep treading. Lion heart strong, no Babylon begging. The river flows slow, carry wisdom true. Each drop a story, each wave a clue. The hills a whisper, the trees them new. That life a circle like a wheel renew. Rise up, pick me, rise up now. For every storm, just show we out. Old time Rasta morning, hear it calling. Jah breeze blowing, them troubles falling. Old time Rasta morning, we keep treading. Lion heart strong, no Babylon begging. Them say the fire burn, but it purify. Every tear we drop, Jah multiply. We nah bow low, we reach the sky. Rasta spirit soar, never live a lie. Sunrise burning bright red fire real. Another day them a sweat in a field. Chains on them foot but them spirit fly free. Listen to the rhythm of the ancestry. Rebels of the cane field, yeah. Heart of fire, soul austere. No surrender, no retreat, yeah. Sweetest victory we meet. Massa whip crack like a thunder sound. But the people them feet still firm on the ground. Whispers in the night, our plans them a brew. Freedom a call, we have to see it through. Rebels of the cane field, yeah. Heart of fire, soul austere. No surrender, no retreat. Them say we small, them say we weak, but the river run deep when the mountains speak. One by one, we rise a mighty tide. Nowhere for them run, nowhere for them hide. Rebels of the cane field, yeah. Heart of fire, soul of steel. No surrender, no retreat, yeah. Sweetest victory we meet, yeah. Them roots run deep, them not let go. Under the river where the waters flow. Stone them silent but them spirit grow. Them hold the strength where we all need to know. Roots of the river stone, them never fail. Them hold the wisdom where Jah lay. Stand firm on the earth, no time for sway. Roots of the river stone, guide me way. Them whisper truth in the cool night breeze. Talk about freedom, talk about peace. Them say, life a journey, take it easy. Them say, faith stronger than stormy seas. Them say, stand tall, you're not alone. Listen the call of the river stone. Roots of the river stone, them never fail. Them hold the wisdom where Jah lay. Stand firm on the earth, no time for sway. Roots of the river stone, guide me way. Yeah, water flow, it cleanse my soul. Storm say, youth, take back control. Them say, plant the seed, make the future whole. Them say, love for all, that the highest goal. Woke up this morning, sun in my eyes. Another day, another struggle, no surprise. But the spirit inside me, it not go die. Gotta keep on moving, reach for the sky. Oh, sufferers, true redemption from Babylon's oppression. We rise up with new intention, seeking our true salvation. Them try to hold us down with all them lies, but the truth, it always shines through them disguise. Our ancestors fought, we hear them cry. Gotta break them chains, open up our eyes. Oh, sufferers, true redemption from Babylon's oppression. We rise up with new intention, seeking our true salvation. in a future that nah go sway. Oh, suffer us true redemption from Babylon's oppression. We rise up with new intention, seeking our true salvation.
The sun a dip low, it a fade from the sky. Another day done, better time just a fly. See the shadows them stretch long and thin on the ground. Hear the ancient ones whisper spiritual sound. Them say Zion's last light soon come in a view. Gonna show us the path, gonna see us right through. Them say Babylon a fall. Hear the children them call. Zion's last light, burning bright, burning true. Gonna cleanse all the bad, gonna start something new. Zion's last light, a beacon of fire, lifting us higher and higher and higher. Zion's last light, oh what a sight, guiding us home with its powerful light. Yeah. Tribulation, too much pain, too much strife. People are suffer, them barely holding to life. But the ancestors say, hold firm, keep the faith strong. Soon the wicked go run when them hear Zion's song. The prophecy ancient, the word is so clear. No room for the fear, only love we hold dear. That's light, burning bright, burning true. Gonna cleanse all the bad, gonna start something new. A beacon of fire, lifting us higher and higher and higher. Zion's last light, oh what a sight, guiding us home with its powerful light. Until the end of all day, we've been searching and hoping through life's winding maze. Now the truth is revealing, the veil gonna drop. The oppressors them tremble, the suffering a stop.